Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you set up an email notification when you receive a JotForm submission? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to receive an email notification for every JotForm that's submitted? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, or maybe you're in sales, you know that speed is really important when you are looking at a conversion. So the quicker that you can get back to your customer, the more likely you are to close that deal. So JotForm allows you to receive an email notification every time a form is submitted. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to receive email notifications every time there is a form submitted, it's going to be handled on the form level. It's not going to be handled on the account level. So for example, right here on the left, you're going to click on all forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the JotForms you have. You can see I just have these two. And then what you want to do is just hover over the JotForm submission notification. So when you hover over, it's going to turn purple, and you're going to see these three options. Click on edit form. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see your JotForm. And in order to set up email notifications for a form submittal, click on settings here on the top center. Okay, once you do that, you'll see this drop down menu on the left, and you want to click on emails. It's the second option. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be able to set up various emails. So what you're going to do is click on add email, this blue button. All right, now what you want to do is click on this one right here, notification email. So this way, anytime a form is submitted, you'll receive an email notification. Okay, so here we can set this up so you can change the email subject. So maybe you want to go ahead and just put in reference to the form title, or you can go ahead and just type in urgent, call back right away. And that way you know what the form is for. And let's say tacos, and that way it's referenced. And then next, the email content. So all of the form data is going to be included by default. And next you want to click on recipients. Okay, so here you can go ahead and add various emails. So I have one already submitted. If you're going to be adding in extra recipients, you will need to upgrade your account. And next you're going to click on advanced. Okay, next what you want to do is make sure this box is checked and it says when a submission is received. So that way you receive email notification as soon as the JotForm is submitted, and then you're going to scroll down and then click on save. Okay, once you do that, the page is going to refresh, and here you can see we have an email notification set up right here. So that way, anytime a form is submitted, I'm going to receive an email notification with the data that we just set up. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up email notification for your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.